Basically, law is the foundation of a civilized society. A law provides structure for a civilized society. So, understand first of all, law is the basic background of SP subject. A law means a rule made by authority. Law means a rule made by the authority. Law means a rule made by authority for the regulation of community or society. Law means rules made by authorities, a particular authority, to regulate the community or society. The law is the rules for regulations of community or society or for correct conduct in life. Law means rules. Law means rules, regulations, principles, and code of conduct framed by the government for the people how to behave in society. Law have two classification. One is a criminal and second civil law. Relate to crime, it's a criminal, and relate not to crime, which law part, a law portion relate to criminals, relate to crime known as criminal law. If not relate to crime, civil basic civil acts are तो civil मध्ये. A criminal law is a body of law, it's a part of law. So one a branch of law that deals with crime and legal punishment of criminal offenses. A criminal law is a body of law that deals with crime and legal punishment of criminal offenses. It's a criminal law. It's a part of law or provides some rules, regulations, punishment regarding criminal charges known as criminal law. The normally crimes, theft, assault, robbery, trafficking in controlled substance, murders, fightings. It's a criminal law. It's a very famous law in India. So Indian Police Department follow the Act, Indian Penal Code 1860 and Criminal Procedure Code of Conduct. When a police department arrests any criminal, when a police department arrests any criminal, that time a department follow a criminal procedure code 1974. Civil law, it's a branch of law but not relate to crime. It's a branch of law not relate to crime. It may be individual disputes, organizations, or between two means individual and organization in in which compensation is awarded or to the victim. Normally, civil civil law relate to landlord, tenant disputes, divorce proceedings, child custody proceeding, property disputes, personal injury, etc. It may be family law, administrative law, contract law, tort law, business law, media law, intellectual property rights, sports law, tax law, and consumer law. The basic acts are related to family matter, family law, relate to government administration, administrative law, relate to contract, contract law, tort, proper behavior, a business law, media, intellectual property rights, sports law, tax law, consumer law. Even when any play these sports have some rules regulation, these rules consider sports law. In the business law, is business law govern the world of commerce. A business law completely cover all the world of commerce. The business law govern all dealing of businesses and the conduct of people associated with such businesses. It's cover the all business or any person relate to business. A business law provide a rules regulation for the business or any person directly associate with the business. They govern their activity. A business law, also known as mercantile acts or commercial law, also known as mercantile or commercial law. A very famous act is Indian Contract Act 1872, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the Sales of Goods Act 1930, the Indian Partnership 1932, the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, and then Companies Act 13. Very famous. जो लास्टचा ऍक्ट आहे तो ऍक्ट आपल्या सिलेबसला आहे. कंपनी 13, इंडियन कंपनीज ऍक्ट 2013 हा एसपीच्या सिलेबसमध्ये आहे. The first understand basic act, Indian Contract Act. The name explain Indian or only for India. It's only for India. Contract means transactions. Act means law. And the year passing 1872. In the British rule, the Indian Parliament, yes, in that time also Indian Parliament, 60% British representative and 40% Indian representative. But have the Indian Parliament, and this Parliament passed the one act for the India. The law of contract constitutes a law of a contract constitutes the most important branch of mercantile, a commercial law. It's a law, it's a basic, it's a foundation upon which the superstructure of modern business is built. Superstructure of modern business is built. In this act affect everybody, more so trade, commerce, industry. Everybody is also trade, commerce, industry. It may be said that contract is the foundation of the civilized world, because every person makes some contracts, and this contract governed by Indian Contract Act. This act mostly deals with general principles and rules governing contracts. Basically, a contract is an agreement. Contract is an agreement creating and defining obligation. creating and defining obligation between the parties. So Salman is the author. They explain, give the definition. Contract is an agreement. It's a creating and defining some obligation between the parties. A contract is an agreement enforceable at law, made by two or more persons. Basically, two parties are two or more persons by whom rights acquired by one or more to acts forbearance on the part of the other or others. Either do something, either not do something. Every agreement or promise, every agreement or promise enforceable at law is called contract. Every agreement, every transaction, every promise enforceable at law known as contract. You just purchase a lollipop from the grocery stores, it's one contract. It's a contract. You purchase some medicine from the medical shop, it's one contract. You take a medical treatment from doctor, it's also a contract. You take admission in the school, it's one contract. The Indian Contract Act has a defined contract in section 2 subsection H, an agreement enforceable by law. An agreement enforceable by law. Any agreement which can force by the law. If any party not follow, the two parties make contract and one party not ready to follow the contract, he always deny to contract. That time this party go to the court and make pressure on them to follow the contract. It's a agreement contract. The contract is a basic combination of two elements. A contract is a basic combination of two elements, and any agreement which is enforceable by law, there must be an agreement. An agreement must be enforceable by the obligation. Contract equal to agreement plus enforcement by law. Enforcement by or law known as contract. According to section E, into E, every promise or set of promises. Every promise or a set of promises forming consideration for each other. Every promise or a set of promises forming consideration for each other known as agreement. Every promise or set of promises. If some make promise to another person, no agreement, forming consideration for each other known as agreement. An agreement occur when two mind meets upon on a common purpose. When agreement happen, when two people's mindset meet on common purpose, they mean the same thing in same sense in same time. It means that they want to same thing, same sense, and same time. They mutually agree for consideration. The meeting of the minds is called consensus anadem. Consent means approval or to the matter. Consent to the matter means approval for the matter. A meeting of mind is called consensus एनाडमिस हे लॅटिन जॉर्गन आहे. but next section of contract, the next part, obligation. An obligation is the legal duty. An obligation is the legal duty to do or abstain. The abstain ha not regular word है. Abstain means not do. Meaning कहता है बघा, an obligation is the legal duty to do or abstain not do from doing. Abstain means oppose करायचं from doing. That one has promised to do or abstain from doing. A contractual obligation arises bargain with between the parties. The agreement were called promises and promises. The agreement between two parties known as either one promiser and promisee. Section 2b says that when the person or to whom the proposal is made signifies assent thereto, the proposal is said to be accepted. When one party offers and another party agree for them, that time proposal accepted, and when proposal accepted become promise. In a broad sense, therefore a contract is an exchange of promise by two or more persons. Basically context है exchange of promises by two or more persons resulting in an obligation to do or abstain from doing to particular act, whereas such obligation are recognized and enforced by the law. Basically exchange promises and make some obligation. When any promise creates some obligation, if any agreement creates some obligation by parties for the parties known as contract. The basic elements of valid contract: an offer or proposal, an offer or proposal by one party, an acceptance of that offer by another party, resulting in an agreement. Agreement कधी होईल? An offer or proposal made by one party and another party agree for them. It's an agreement. Second, intention to create legal relations. Every contract, every agreement creates some legal relation between the party. Basically, lawful consideration must require. Basically, lawful consideration must require which thing exchange between the party or known as consideration. And parties must legally capable to make contracts. And union consent between them, mutually agree for them. Object and consideration. Object and consideration of the contract is legal, not opposed to public policy. The term of the contract are certain, are certain certain points आहेत. Terms of contract are specific पाहिजे, not imaginary. The basically in the point of view मध्ये पाहिजे आपल्या ज्या पॉसिबल थिंग्स आहेत त्याच कॉन्ट्रॅक्टमध्ये पाहिजे. इम्पॉसिबल थिंग्स नॉट अलाउड इन दी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट. Then example of contracts. A agree to sell his car for rupees 10,000 to him. A agreed to B to sell his car for rupees 10,000 to him. In this example, following rights and obligations have been created. A is under the obligation to deliver car to B, and B get right to receive car. म्हणजे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट झालाय आणि ए नॉट ट्रान्सफर कार टू बी, that time A go to the court and get car from them. Get car from them. In the example following rights, A is under the obligation to deliver the car to B, and B have a right get a car from A. Also another B also have obligation to pay a rupees 10,000 to A, and A has also right to receive rupees 10,000 from B. If A or B not follow the agreement, that time another party have a right to go to the court and follow the contract. But first of all, know to understand offer. When a two person signifies to another, when one person signifies to another, basically offer made by one person to another person. The offer means a willingness and either do something or to abstain from doing, and not do something. Anything you obtaining assent for the such act of abstinence is said to make proposal. Proposal म्हणजे काय असेल? When party offer something to another, either do something, either not do something. When one party express his willingness, when one party expresses willingness or to do or not to do something to another party, known as offer. Types of offer ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन केलेले आहेत. अगेन रिपीट करतोय मी. एक्सप्रेस ऑफर, when an offer is made by words spoken or written, it is called express offer. When any offer made by words spoken or written is called express offer. Means when offer made by one person to another person, that time this person explain all things, explain all term condition regarding the offer to another part, express के लिए. If not express, implied. But follow them. When offer is implied to conduct of party or circumstances of the case is called implied offer. Example, railway ticket. If you go to railway journey, must have valid railway tickets. When entering the railway, must have valid ticket. You want also enter in the railway platform. On the railway platform, must require a platform ticket. General sale, you are liable, you are payable to fines. A general offer, when offer is made to the public at large. No general offer. When offered to made all people, known as a general offer. This offer may be accepted by anyone. कुणी पण ऑफर घेईल ती. Special or specific offer. When offer made to the specific a particular person, known as specific offer. Cross offer. When two parties exchange identical offer in ignorance time of each other's offer. जे क्रॉस केलं म्हणजे ए मेक ऑफर सेम टाइम बी मेक ऑफर क्रॉस ऑफर आहे. A counter offer by the offering terminate original offer. म्हणजे A make offer to B and B cancel this offer and B impose new offer to A. It's a counter offer झाली त्यावेळेस. एनी बीला ऑफर दिली आहे, बीने ती ऑफर कॅन्सल केली आहे आणि नवीन ऑफर एला दिली आहे. इट्स अ काउंटर ऑफर म्हणतात. क्लिअर होतंय. ऑफर एक्सेप्ट द सेम सब्जेक्ट बट सर्टन कंडिशन मे बी चेंज होतील. इट्स ऑल्सो बार्गेनिंग. इट्स अ काउंटर ऑफर. स्टँडिंग, कंटिन्यू और ओपन ऑफर. व्हेन ऑफर ओपन टू लॉंगर पिरियड, an offer which allowed to remain open for extensions over period of time. जे लॉंगर पिरियडला आहे ती टाइमला म्हणजे एंड होत नाहीये. तीच ओपन ऑफर व कंटिन्यू ऑफर. एक्झाम्पल टेंडर्स. तर युट्यूब मधले व्हिडिओज हे ओपन ऑफर आहेत, पण नेटफ्लिक्स की अमेझॉन प्राईम हे जे आहेत ते स्पेसिफिक पर्सनला आहे. फक्त तुम्हाला 1 month फ्री आहेत. आफ्टर 1 month रिक्वायर्ड टू पे समथिंग. इफ नॉट पे तुम्हाला ते बघता येणार नाही आहेत. सो ऑफर आहे ती क्लोज ऑफर आहे, ते स्टँडिंग ऑफर. अ क्लासिफिकेशन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट. Classification contract. Contract can classify on the base of validity, on the base of formation, on the base of performance. Valid, wide, viable, illegal, enforceable contract, unforceable contract, express, implied, quasi, static, bilateral, unilateral, executory contracts. So stop this lecture